Changing your legal name on Honeycomb EO is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated correctly. Step 1. Login. Access your Honeycomb EO account by entering your credentials on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the Profile menu or sidebar. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Find Name Change option. In the account settings, look for the section related to personal information or legal name. This is where you will find the option to change your name. Step 4. Enter new legal name. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Submit changes. After entering your new name, look for a Submit or Save button to finalize the changes. You may receive a confirmation message once your request is processed. Make sure to keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your name change request. Following these steps will help ensure your name is updated smoothly on Honeycomb EO.